Which of the following Indian states does not share a border with Bangladesh? Correct option is D. Odisha. In which year did the last powerful Mughal emperor Aurangzeb pass away? Correct option is C. In 1707. What does LPG stand for in the context of the new economic policy 1991? Correct option is B. Liberalization, privatization, globalization. Which of the four Vedas is considered the Veda of melodies and chants and is closely associated with music? Correct option is C. Samveda. Who is famously known as the father of Ayurveda for his contributions to ancient Indian medicine? Correct option is A. Charak. Which of the following was the first major port developed in India after independence to handle the volume of trade? Correct option is D. Kandla Port. Who is the author of the best-selling mythological novel The Palace of Illusions? Correct option is C. Chitra Banerjee Divakroni. Why is the gravitational acceleration on the surface of the Moon approximately of that on Earth? Correct option is B. The Moon has lower mass and smaller radius than Earth. As of July to August, how many states in India have implemented 50% reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions? Correct option is C. 21 states. Who among the following assassinated Bimbisara, the king of Magad and founder of the Haryanka dynasty? Correct option is A. Ajatashatru. Who was nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President Draupadi Murmu in July for their exceptional contribution to the field of history and education? Correct option is A. Dr. Meenakshi Jan. A train crosses a standing person in 20 seconds and a 400 meters long platform in 40 seconds. What is the speed of the train? Correct option is B. 20 meters per second. Which of the following musical instruments are traditionally used during the Tippani folk dance of Gujarat? Correct option is D. Turi and Thali. What is the main function of the National Sample Survey Office in India? Correct option is B. To conduct large-scale sample surveys on socio-economic aspects. What is the correct Hindi meaning of the word obedient? Correct option is A. Agyakari. Which system primarily restricted private sector rights and expansion in India before the 1991 economic reforms? Correct option is B. License Raj. According to the Indian Constitution, the total number of ministers in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed what percentage of the total strength of the Lok Sabha? Correct option is C. 15%. In which year did Kidambi Srikanth become the first Indian male player to reach the final of the BWF World Championships? Correct option is C. In 2021. The perimeter of a rhombus is 68 centimeters and one of its diagonals is 30 centimeters. What is the ratio of its two diagonals? Correct option is D. 15:8. In October 2017, India sent its first shipment of which commodity as humanitarian aid to Afghanistan through Iran's Chabhar port? Correct option is A. Wheat. Which is the official document prepared by police to record the first information about a cognizable offence? Correct option is C. First Information Report. When a subordinate employee provides a progress report to their manager, this is known as. Correct option is B. Upward communication. Which of the following is the most appropriate term for a formal document written to request time off from school or work? Correct option is B. Leave application. What is the primary definition of an explosion? Correct option is C. A sudden and violent expansion of energy and high-pressure gases. What was the day of the week on 16th March 2020? Correct option is B, Monday. Find the wrong number in the following series. Correct option is D, 39. If the LCM of two numbers is 84, then which of the following numbers can be their HCF? Correct option is A, 21. What will be the total number of days in the months of February, June, July, and August in the year 2300? Correct option is B, 120.